Hi guys, in just a very short video today, I just wanted to bring your attention to Cardano. It has finally, on the daily graph, moved above the moving averages. It's found support testing the moving averages and moved higher, giving us a buy signal. So I just wanted to point that out. I have a buy signal for myself just here, just breaking the previous swing highs, and my stop is underneath the moving averages. Looking at the weekly graph, it has gone up for 3 weeks, so there's a little bit of a caution here, looking for maybe a pause in the market and coming up to this swing high here. So if we go back to the daily graph, I've just drawn in a line here at the dollar mark and one at the $1.50. That is the previous swing high. So as you can see, it's touched the $1.50 on 4 occasions. 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll see if it can push through this time. If we go back to November last year, when the market was looking similar to what it looks like now, the market finally moved on top of the moving averages and then made a new high. That's a crucial point, that it made a new swing high. So there's our buy signal there, and the market took off with a stop underneath the moving averages. If we go to December, it did it again after a sideways market moving above the moving averages. Well, it's just straddling it there, making a new high. There it's above the moving average, a nice flag formation, making a new high. So buying there with a stop underneath the moving averages. Anyway, that's it for today. If you found that useful, please like and subscribe. I'll be doing an update in a few days' time on this, so hope to see you then.